When you work in manufacturing, efficiency drives your bottom line. The best software for manufacturing manages the dependencies between assemblies of raw materials, finished goods, and works in process along the way. Assemblies management in QuickBooks Enterprise does all that and more. Enterprise shows you at a glance how many finished goods can be built with the materials and subassemblies you have on hand. If you need more components than what's in stock, Enterprise identifies the shortage and lets you prepare the necessary purchase orders with the click of a button. You can also stay ahead of what you'll need by setting minimum inventory levels. Whenever counts drop below your thresholds, the right purchase orders will be generated automatically. And when you update a component SKU or price, Enterprise will automatically revise that component in all the assemblies, subassemblies, and finished goods that include it. With Enterprise, you can set a fixed price for your products or generate one dynamically based on the unit's bill of materials from raw to shipped goods. You can also automatically mark up the price to include your desired profit margin. You can also save time by building a final build assembly order for all remaining subassemblies automatically rather than manually ordering each one. QuickBooks Enterprise also comes with manufacturing-specific reports to help you create production forecasts and give you deeper insights on your business. The Inventory Stock Status by Item report tells you what inventory is currently available for assemblies. The Assembly Shortage by Item report tells you which inventory levels are low while in the process of a build. And the Inventory Valuation Summary tells you the cost and sales price of the inventory you have on hand. Assemblies management in QuickBooks Enterprise gives you more tools, more automation, and more insights to find more efficiency in your manufacturing processes than ever before.